Hello and welcome. So we try to import using the module format, or the new format of importing is some package in the Node.js and the Express framework. Express basically if app, okay, a server. So we are gonna do the same Express, okay. So apparently these both statements serve the same purpose. We are importing, or we are telling that you have to use the Express package, right? So if I do like this, it's gonna give me error, right? Cannot use import statement outside a module. But if I am doing like this, so it's gonna allow me. Okay, what it says okay, I haven't saved the file. So it says that app is listing on the port 3001 right here, okay. But why it is giving me error? Now let me remove this file. But it is giving me error because of this. I haven't mentioned that what will be the type of the import statement. So by default, the common.js style, you can see over here the default value, and we are going to use the module format, and I am going to import the package express like this. And okay, now you can see our app is listing on port 3001, and awesome. So everything is good for now. So now let's create a basic route which will be the app.get route, and I'm going to listen on this route, and request and response object, and the callback function which will take the parameter as the request and the response object. And I'm going to do console.log I am in the callback of home route, right? So basically our app is listing on the port 3001, but now whenever we'll hit this route, it's going to print this statement on the console. So let me show you. Here you go, localhost 3001, because our app is listing on the port 3001. So you can see this has been printed on the console. Now you can see we haven't get any response over here, and it is still waiting for the response. Why? Because we haven't sent any response from our server. Now let's change console.log to response.send. Now whenever the request reaches this route, and this route will be hit, and the request should be the get request, right? So it's gonna send this response to the requester. Okay, so basically you can see over here localhost 3001, and it's still printing. But despite that, we have used the statement response.send. Why? Because we haven't restarted our server. It's simple as that. So now you can see over here, right? You can see it's sending the response from the server. You can see, right? So now let's create another router, which is app.get, and it is still the get route, and the you can see students, right? So I am gonna use the route name as student, and I'm gonna create a callback function which will be the request and the response, and it's gonna like this. And let's say we have an array of student array, and array is what? Array is like Mark, and let's say Johnny, and let's say you can say any name like Bill. Okay, now response.send, and I'm gonna send all the students. Okay, wait, response.send. Okay, we have to name it as students, and I am gonna send all the students to the requester when the request will reach the slash students route, and the request should be the get type, right? Excuse me. So basically I'm on the home route, and you can see it's returning I'm in the callback of home route, and now I'm gonna access the students route, and it says that cannot get students. Why is that? Okay, so we have to restart the server, and now you can see over here Mark, Johnny, and Bill. These are the students we have saved in our server, right? If I have to do app.get first, right? So we have to return the first student. What we'll do is students dot or students 0. It's an array, right? So we have to restart the application. Don't forget that the results will not appear otherwise. So all students are here, and the home route is like this, and students, awesome. And if I do first, and it is not giving the, okay, so we have to put a slash over here. That's the mistake, excuse me. And I'm gonna hit the route. It still says, so let's just, okay, it's working. So why it is not giving the first student? Okay, so we are not returning, we are not sending the response. We have to send the response, right? So let's now hit the, okay, you can see over here it is returning the mark, and if I do this, we have the mark as the first student, right? And if I do this, I am in the callback of the home route.